What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy, of course, Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. We back up in this thing with another one, man. It is Monday, week 1, Supreme Fall Winter 19. Yeah, man. Yeah. But before we get into it, man, yo, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Holla at your boy in the comment section. Like I said, yo, I'm gonna say it every video. Support, support. We almost there. We like less than 300 subscribers away from that first 1,000. Be one of the early subscribers to the Flu Gang family. And without further ado, as we proceed to give you what you need, let's get it cracking. So, YouTube, man, today was Supreme Fall Winter 19 week 1. You know what I'm saying? Your boy definitely did do some damage on that site. You know what I'm saying? We definitely, went out the, the Grill Tree camo. I got a thing for that right now, even though, it's one of the more, controversial prints out there. But hey, Ye made it cool.
Are you venturing into the fashion industry and is Kim going to be amused?
Am I venturing into the fashion industry? Come on. Did you see this cup? Man, come on, man.
We definitely went after them red ass socks. That Timex watch went the fuck out of there. I remember I really wanted that. I remember my stepfather telling me, yo, you take a lick, them joints will last forever, man. You take a lick, they keep on ticking, man. Man, who remember that slogan? Was that ever even a slogan? I don't know.
Timex, it takes a licking and keeps on ticking.
That was definitely the Timex watch was definitely a dope piece. Your boy definitely picked up the orange loose gauge beanie. Orange is my color, man. We gotta have that in the collection. We picked up, for the first time ever, your boy picked up a signature tee. So that navy MJBT definitely came home to the kid. Can't wait to get that thing in person. Can't wait to see it. But yo, Supreme week 1, pretty lit. You know what I'm saying? A lot of things did sick, but I don't know. I think people still get into the swing of things, and it should go back to normal over the course of this season. Wait until these collabs start showing up. But I wanted to get into, and start the week all right. So this is a special week for your boy Q the Flu. You know what I'm saying? Your boy birthday is Thursday, one of the GOAT birthday, August 29th. I told y'all that already. But yo, I want to, issue out, a special, challenge to, the subscribers that are already here, man. If we could get, by Wednesday, we can get, our channel, up to that 1,000 subscribers. Your boy will be going, somewhere, I got something planned. We going somewhere special. We will do, we will do a special unboxing and on feet video. You know what I'm saying? It ain't a real on feet of an authentic pair on YouTube yet. Your boy will definitely un-DS these guys and hit y'all with that on feet, man. Special on feet for these guys right here, man. If we can go ahead and get the channel to 1,000 subscribers, you know what I'm saying? By Thursday, August 29th, my birthday, man. Yo, I know we can do it. I got faith in us. Let's make this happen. 100 likes on this video, 1,000 subscribers by Thursday. You will get the first authentic on-feet video and review of these guys this week, man. Special coming to you live and direct from Flu Gang TV, man. Can we do it? Can we make it happen? Y'all let me know, man. I'm looking forward to it. We gonna do the damn thing. You know what I'm saying? We got a couple of dope, sneaker images. Nothing too crazy. We got the Jordan ones, the hologram joints coming out, holiday 2019 with the Zoom Air in the front of them things, man. And Jordan ones are already not the most comfortable shoe ever, but I guess any attempt that they're making to make it more comfortable is pretty good. I'm a 3M junkie, but I don't know about those, Chief. You know, that colorway just kind of reminds me of those weird Charlotte All-Star Game colors from a couple of years ago. Not sure we really needed that, but they coming. We got images of that yellow friends and family Travis Scott 6. You know, okay, I see you, Travis. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, with that documentary coming out, you know, this Wednesday, I'll be keeping my eyes peeled. Might be a special Cactus Jack 6 drop just for that, man. You know how you do. A little light in the culture today. Not too much going on. But you know your boy Q-The-Foo gonna keep you informed. Remember, 100 likes on this video, 1,000 subscribers, and we gonna on-feed these joints somewhere real special, somewhere real dope. But as always, it's your boy Q-The-Flu, Q the Influencer. Videos almost every day. You already know how we rocking. Gang, 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 gang. We out.
This Chicago.